So, in this video, susubukan natin alamin kung paano makukuha yung GCF and LCM ng dalawang number using the ladder method. So, in this first example, kunin natin ang GCF and LCM ng 24 and 36. So, paano natin gawin yun? So, let's write 24 and 36. So, come to think of the number na smallest prime number na pwede natin silang divide or factor nilang dalawa. So, since 24 and 36 ay parehas even number, we can easily say na pwede natin silang i-divide sa 2. So, lagyan natin dito yung 2 sa labas. So, 24 divided by 2, we have 12. And 36 divided by 2, we have 18. Okay, so 12 and 18, parehas ulit silang even number. Let's just repeat the process. So, ilagay ulit natin na pwede pa rin silang divide parehas sa 2. So, 12 divided by 2, we have 6. And 18 divided by 2 is 9. This time, 6 and 9, isip ulit tayo ng number or factor nilang dalawa na prime number. So, may isip natin that pwede sila parehas i-divide sa 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2, and 9 divided by 3 is 3. So, 2 and 3, they are already prime numbers, so stop na natin dyan. So, paano natin malalaman kung ano yung ating GCF? So, for the GCF, i-multiply lang natin lahat ng numbers na nandito sa gilid. So, those are the numbers 2 times 2 times 3. So, our GCF is 12. And for us to get the LCM, paano naman natin malalaman kung ano yung LCM? Kunin natin yung numbers mula dito sa gilid hanggang dito sa baba, forming a letter L for LCM. So, lista natin lahat ng numbers. Those are 2 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3. Multiply all the numbers, which will give us 72 as our LCM. Okay? So, let's try another example. How are we going to get the GCF and LCM of 27 and 45? So, ulit, 27 and 45. Isip ulit tayo ng prime number na factor nilang dalawa, or pwede natin silang i-divide dalawa exactly. So, may isip natin na they are both divisible by 3. So, 27 divided by 3 is 9, and 45 divided by 3 is 15. Same process, 9 and 15, pwede ulit natin silang i-divide parehas exactly by the prime number 3. So, 9 divided by 3 is 3, 15 divided by 3 is 5. So, 3 and 5, they are already prime numbers. So, stop na tayo dyan. Let's get the GCF. So, our GCF is itong dalawang number dito. So, our GCF is 3 times 3, which will give us 9. And to get the LCM, again, para makuha natin yung LCM, kailanganin natin yung numbers dito, ayun dito, sa baba, forming a letter L for LCM. So that is 3 times 3 times 3 times 5, which will give us the LCM 135. So that's it. Thank you.